Let's start wrapping up the market action then for the day. And well, it was a brutal day, though there's no other way to describe it. The market, not just the way the Nifty was down 1.7%, but the trending downward market, not at any point did the market even attempt a recovery. At best 30-40 points, and they were all sold into. And more importantly for the bank Nifty, right from the word go, it just kept trending lower and ended almost 3% down. And remember, this is on top of the decline that we saw yesterday as well. It's a start of the full expiry or the monthly expiry, so and things could get really interesting from here. The top loser was Power Grid, but the top contributors on the way down were your HDFC twins, both HDFC Bank and HDFC, ICICI and Reliance. Along with that, you had names like Axis, State Bank of India, UPL, NTPC. Then, of course, a lot of profit-booking candidates like Mahindra and Mahindra, which was down quite a bit. Titan, Tata Motors, so all these consumption names were correcting. Steel stocks, JSW Steel was down quite a bit. Larsen & Toubro was lower as well. On the way up, just Pharma. Divi's Labs, Sun Pharma and Cipla were higher. And ITC also, by the way, fresh 52-week high on ITC. Prashant, broader market also collapsed quite a bit.
It did 4:1 in terms of declines to advances today, and things look tough. Power Grid was down 8, Mahindra & Mahindra Finance was down 13.5, Z lost 5% today, Canara Bank was down 6. I mean, actually, a lot of the stronger parts of the market came under pressure. Chola Finance was down 6, Federal Bank was down 5, Ease My Trip was down 6, Dish TV was down 7%, the Tata Long Products, Tin Plate, all these were down about 5-6% as well. And actually, Long Products was down about 12-13%. Chambal Fertilizer down about 5%. Thermax down 8%. So that's a big cut. You had JK Lakshmi down 5.5%. Raymond was down 5%. And many other names in that 4-5% with volumes today. Nigel.
Well, let's bring you some gainers then, because there were a few from the broader market. Sundaram Finance Holdings, stock up 8.5%. Volumes massive out there. Let's see whether or not there is a disclosure that comes out. TNPL, remember the street is betting on costs coming down out there, and the debt as well coming down. So that stock was up close to 7% in a very, very wobbly market. Federal Mogul Gods, remember the stock has got clobbered from the top. Well, that stock as well, did end high with a gain of around 5%. A couple of diagnostic stocks did well. Kim's, that's Krishna Institute, well, that one was up. Federal Mogul Gods, as I already mentioned, and Vijaya Diagnostic as well did end higher in today's trade. But that doesn't take away from the fact that it was a weak trading session. The breadth of the market firmly in favor of declines. You had 5 stocks that were declining for, but just 1 stock that was advancing. The Nifty goes home with a cut of more than 300 points. The Nifty Bank, big pullback after a long while. Remember, that's been the big outperformer. Today, that index as well did come in for some selling.